Hey folks, Madison Dixon here again, Associate Director of the Mississippi State University Agricultural Autonomy Institute. I'm coming to you from the MAFIS Black Belt Experiment Station located here in Brooksville, Mississippi. And we're in the process of filming our spray drone training video series. And today we actually had some additional agricultural air traffic in our nearby vicinity. And so I wanted to take this opportunity to share with you what might be the most important consideration of this entire spray drone training video series. And that is this: remotely piloted aircraft or drones or UAS are always currently required to give right-of-way to all manned aircraft. And the manned aircraft you're most likely to encounter in agricultural settings such as this is obviously going to be an agricultural aircraft or crop duster. They go by many names, but the point is that we are required, both from a safety standpoint and from a regulatory standpoint, to give right-of-way to these manned aircraft. And they already have a very dangerous job. They have to look out for many obstacles. They operate at very high speeds, and they're constantly working while they're in the cockpit of that aircraft. And it is our responsibility to make sure that we're giving right-of-way to those pilots to ensure not only their safety, but the safety of the remote pilot crew that's also located on the ground. So I would really encourage you, if you are a spray drone operator, to reach out and to build relationships with established ag aviators in your region, to gain their contact information, to communicate and to coordinate with them frequently, and to make sure that you're taking every effort to deconflict the low altitude airspace in which we all seek to operate safely and successfully. Thank you. Well, thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative as part of our spray drone training video series. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank our many sponsors who made this video series possible. For more information, please visit arpa.org, rpaaa.org, or the Ag Autonomy Institute website at aai.msstate.edu. Thank you.